Congratulations, you have been granted permission to operate by your utility company and have reached the conclusion of your solar journey. This will be a quick overview over the Tesla app and some of its functions. For further questions, you can always reach Tron Solar customer service at 1-800-484-8766. There are also a multitude of Tesla resources available online and on YouTube as well. To start off with, once you log into your Tesla app, you will notice a picture of the energy that is being produced and where it is going. Currently on this test site, we have 2.3 kilowatts of solar energy being produced at this moment. That energy is going to the Powerwall to charge it, and the remainder of the energy is being used by the home currently. If permission to export is put to the on position, or if you have enabled the export function of your battery, any excess energy once the battery is filled will be sent to the grid for you to start accumulating your credits with your utility company. Now, the other functions of the Tesla app are as followed. You can see here a breakdown of the energy that was produced during the day. You can also see the impact that solar power has had on your home's energy consumption, whether part of your energy has come from the grid, whether you've been fully self-sufficient from solar, or if there's been a mixture of both. You may also access your settings for the app, which we will go over in a second, and then also reach support for basic troubleshooting questions and needs. Now, in your settings, once you click in here, you have a few different options ranging from the Powerwall itself, Storm Watch, which would notify you of any potential or impending storms that are coming to your area, what utility rate plan that you're under, which is pretty standard, and then you can also connect your Powerwall 3 to your Wi-Fi for easier reporting. For My Home Info, this would give you a breakdown of some of the information for your house, but we are going to focus on the Powerwall settings. And when you click Powerwall, you will notice here that you have a toggle switch where you can change how much energy you want to keep inside the battery for backup needs and how much energy you want to use from the battery to self-power your home when needed. As you can tell, this test site here has self-powered on. Now, permission to export is also enabled. If you have just been granted permission to operate, you are most likely going to have to flip this permission to export from no to yes in order to make sure that your system is producing at its highest maximum potential and that excess energy once your battery is filled has somewhere to go. So enabling this function allows the energy to go to the grid where your utility company will buy back that energy at whatever rate is on your agreement. Now, grid charging may be enabled or turned off depending on your utility company's rules and regulations, as well as the finance company that you've been paired with. Depending on what their regulations are, this may or may not be an option. Automatic backup is recommended in the case of a grid outage. Your Tesla Powerwall 3 will automatically modify some of its settings to ensure that you have enough backup power based on some of the settings that you have put into the app. We hope this overview of the Tesla app was helpful, and we look forward to serving you in the future. Once again, if you have any additional questions, feel free to give us a call at 1-800-484-8766.